A man is nothing without sauce. But the same man can also become lost in the sauce.
Yenden Kwaila! Happy Chinese New Year!
Hi, welcome to KittiesMama. I'm Emma.
I'm Jonah. And I'm Noah.
And that's Micah.
And today, we are doing a countdown calendar for the Chinese New Year, which, guess what day that is?
February 16th!
Oh yeah!
The Chinese celebrate New Year's for 2 weeks with a festival and lots of parades and fun stuff. And 2018 is the year of the dog. Comment down below what your Chinese zodiac is. I'm a goat.
I'm a horse.
And I am a dragon.
Micah's a monkey. You might be thinking to yourself, aren't you guys not Chinese? That's right, we aren't, but we're gonna be educating and opening cool stuff. And these are the Chinese characters for the numbers. So we're gonna start with number 1, and what is that in Chinese, Noah?
Yi.
Okay, so we got a little Chinese takeout box. And the first one. It's hard, it's really, really hard to get out.
Oh
Open it up
wow.
more.
Okay, crab rangoon. So these are really good.
They are really good.
Moving on.
Alright, moving on to number 2, which is Alright.
Oh my goodness. That was a nice hit. Direct hit.
I know, and it was so clean too. Whoa, what is this? Origami! It's a Chinese art of folding paper, and it's supposed to be like Zen and stuff.
Go ahead, Emma.
Oh, it's Kleenex. Now we're going to be opening up number 3, which is San in Chinese. I ran into the box.
Wowee.
Indeed, I will not punch them anymore.
Came right out.
Snazzy.
Sauce.
Ooh,
And
sauce.
So we got dumplings or pot stickers.
we have chopsticks if we want to eat it with chopsticks.
Oh, that's true. We do have chopsticks.
It's good.
So now we're gonna open up number 4, which is C, we think. So go ahead and open it. Okay. So we got sweet and sour sauce. So we got sweet and sour chicken now.
I'm impressed.
And we gotta dip this into here.
They separated it from the chicken, this way your chicken doesn't get all soggy.
And this restaurant that we got all the stuff from is an authentic Chinese restaurant. Yes. This is really good.
That's really good. That is really good. Want me to give you a bite?
Whatever, yes, but seriously.
One bite?
Keep going. Oh, let's keep going.
Number 5 in Chinese is Whoop, and that's what we're about to open. Yeah, Micah.
Go ahead and grab it, Noah, with your grabbers.
Ooh,
Make sure to
Rice?
show the camera.
Right?
some rice, my guy.
So we have some extra rice because Noah ended up pouring all the others onto Micah's tray. But we have extras in the container.
Do we have soy sauce? So I'm going to try this beef piece.
This came with a fork.
Try the rice. Oh my gosh.
That is really good. That beef is very tender.
I do agree, good brother.
So now we're going to be opening up number 6, which is Liu. I'm pretty sure that's right.
So aesthetically pleasing.
Ooh!
What's that?
Whoa.
I think it's one of the wind chimes, right? Or...
Yeah.
So this is a lucky cat and a lucky knot. The color red is considered a lucky color in China, and that's why all of the lanterns and most of the decorations during the New Year festival are all red.
Okay, so now we're on to number 7. I think. Is it number 7? Let's see. Yes, number 7. And it is pronounced chi or
Like,
chi.
It's like...
Brother,
It's
it
like-
is tea.
We
Okay.
might be wrong.
So we'll put it up on.
Nobody says it right.
So we'll put it up on the screen. What it means or what it says. I mean. Okay, so let's go.
Wow, great job.
What the heck is in there?
The box.
Steel.
Yeah.
Do you want me to poke it with my giant thumbnail?
No, you're gonna hurt yourself. I promise you're gonna hurt yourself.
Sure about that?
See?
You're right.
The happiness of the people on Chinese New Year are inside of that box, and as you can see,
Don't
it is
break
a
the
barrier.
chopstick.
Okay, so I put a little thing in it because this is apparently a steel and oh, it's wood.
That would explain it.
Why it
This
hurts
is my
so
favorite thing.
Oh, so this is our mother's favorite thing. Good thing Noah didn't open this box.
That would have hurt so.
Full force.
That would have hurt so bad.
Micah, okay, so this is, ooh, salt and pepper shakers. But we don't exactly know what they look like.
Turn around.
Jonah.
Oh! So we got salt and pepper shakers. They're little cats.
They're so cute. The little lucky cat.
That's adorable.
I love them.
So we're not gonna take them out right now, but these are them. They're really cute.
Alright, so we're opening up number 8 now, Micah. And this is pronounced Ba. Whoa! It didn't work. Whoa, wasn't that aesthetic?
No.
Yeah. Super.
Whoa. Food. Micah, guess what this is?
Probably rice.
It's
Maybe?
noodles, actually.
Noodles.
This is chicken lo mein. It was already in my mouth when I started to say that. What?
It was in box.
Micah would probably like chicken lo mein.
Micah, we know what to order you now.
Everyone likes noodles. Noodles are really good, Micah.
Those are really good.
Okay, so looking
They
at
are
it,
really good.
Mommy.
Alright, so now we're going to be opening up number 9, which is Jiu.
That's cute.
It's a little dragon head ornament.
awesome.
Oh, got a lucky knot.
Oh yeah.
It's just like the cat.
I think this is another lucky thing because it has a lucky knot on the bottom, but instead of a lucky car, it has a dragon.
Yeah.
I think.
So it also signifies luck.
Everything is luck.
Rawr,
Wow.
rawr.
Rar.
Chinese dragons are powerful, lucky, and noble. And emperors in ancient China were called sons of dragons.
So now we're going to be opening up number 10, which is she. These ones are harder to puncture.
Micah's having to wash.
So let's see what's in this paper. We got probably a cat.
A cat?
I assume.
Oh, it's a snow globe.
It's a little snow globe. Okay, so we got a Chinese pagoda. So this is a style of Chinese architecture which uses extra eaves here.
So, we're about to open up 11, and that is pronounced she. It's a combination of 10, which is she, and 1, which is e. Here we go.
Are any of these like that wood thing?
Yeah, one of them is a knife.
Rabbit.
This is a Zen gardening kit. I'm gonna use this a lot.
That's cute.
I love Zen gardens. They're so cute. So now we're gonna be opening up number 12, which is sheer.
Emma might have pronounced that wrong.
I did it right.
It's pronounced
I
she
put the emphasis. So these are
Whoa.
Egg rolls!
$1 for an egg.
$1 for an egg roll?
These are some egg rolls. And all I can think about is spare $1 for an egg roll.
So is he asking us to so that
That's not important right now.
Spare $1 for an egg roll.
It's a good story.
Spare $1 for an egg roll?
Spare $1 for an egg roll, and you thought he was trying to sell you an egg roll for $1, and you were like, "That's a good deal. I'll do it."
Okay, so I'm gonna be opening up number 13 now, which is Shisan. And I'm gonna do it with a fork just in case there's a box in there.
Steel
and
box.
it's scarier than I.
And there's a little buddy down there, and his name is Mikey.
It's sauce. I'm thinking this is more sweet and sour chicken, to be completely honest with you. Emma, go ahead and open that, please.
A man is not the same without the sauce. But the same man can also be
We got-
lost in his sauce.
So we got more sweet and sour sauce.
With more of that delicious chicken.
So, more sweet and sour chicken.
I thought that was the general sauce, but it wasn't. This is the general sauce.
I said this
Shut
one's
your mouth.
different, but they're still the same meat. Look at that.
Take this fork.
Ah!
That got lost in the sauce.
Don't lose yourself in the sauce.
Nope.
I'm just saying, because you can't get lost in the juice.
No, that's wrong. Oh my gosh, stop it with the juice.
When you get the sauce, you can really get lost in that.
This is very good.
A man is nothing without sauce. But the same man can also become lost in the sauce.
We're about to open up number 14, and in Chinese, that is Jacy.
Now what's gonna break it?
We are currently doing the stuff right now, and there's something in here. Oh my goodness, it's adorable! It's a little black lucky cat.
Aw, that's so cute.
Wait, hold on. Can I see the marks on the front? What, face at me.
Oh,
I'm thinking that this means cat. Mao?
the
Mao.
Chinese word for cat is Mao. Now I'm gonna be opening up number 15, which is Shiwu. It's a bonsai kit.
I've always wanted a bonsai, Jonah!
It's all of your bonsai, okay?
You can keep it in the kitchen.
Oh, I want a bonsai.
So this is a bonsai kit. It comes with all the stuff you need to make your own bonsai, and scissors to trim it.
A bonsai tree is a tree that is native to China.
I beg of you on my hands and knees.
No,
to
we
let
get
me
it.
have
You want
You
it.
can have it.
You want it. Fine. Jeez. So we got number 16, which is Shi Liu. So let's open it.
That's a little
I
test.
hope that was.
Make sure that's not a steel
Yeah, I
box.
don't want like a box in there.
Whoa, it's a thing!
Big head's in the way.
It is a. It's a tiger. Give us some tiger facts, mommy. So it's a little hanging
Tigers
tiger,
run fast.
which is very cute. I think it's a tiger. And if you were born in 2010, this is your animal. Tigers represent bravery, cruelty, terror, and force.
So, we're gonna open up number 17, or in Chinese, that is Jacy.
Right, with a nice accent.
That's how it's pronounced.
Open it.
It was a box this time.
That's a nice feel.
I just
This is
instinctively decided to be gentle that time, and it was
weird
a box.
feel. Hi, Gabe.
It looks like a tea set.
Alright. Ooh, I want to do this.
What is
show
it?
What is it?
Okay, so what is
Made
it?
it.
Green tea.
It is a green tea,
Show it to
green
Tim.
dragon, oolong tea. It says Anzi Benchon Vertau.
And so this is tea that you can make.
Yes.
I think
I've
this
already
is.
made it. You're about to have to.
Oh,
Tea.
tea here.
Where'd you get the teapot?
One marker.
It's very pretty. That's nice looking. Wow.
Delicious.
I haven't tried. I had to do it.
It's a little bitter.
The longer you keep it on your tongue, the more it is painful to endure
Yep.
being in your mouth.
You know those egg rolls that we ate like that long time ago in that one video that looked like Halloween decorations?
I
Kinda
got a
tastes
little
like
bit of an
that.
accident. I was trying to fake it.
I was gonna say there's no way Emma has tried it. It's still looking happy.
It's not that great, but our theory is that we didn't like mix it properly.
Yeah, we
So-
probably did it too strong. So we are going to be opening up number 18, which is Shiba.
Let's see.
Duck stocks?
So this is lemon chicken. This tastes a bit like lemons. In fact, it tastes a lot like lemons, and
It is called lemon
it's
chicken.
way too much lemon, but it's real good.
Okay, so now we're gonna open up number 19, which is what, Emma?
Shiju.
Okay.
See, Jew.
Well, I already had it up. Oh, it's a little box. What's in this box? Soap. You got lotus flower luxury soap. It's made in China.
Forbidden snack.
Well, I'm not.
It smells really good.
Here,
and I like
Taste
it.
it.
Mommy, take a sniffle.
Okay, I'll taste it.
It smells like a bath bomb. We're gonna open up number 20. In Chinese, that is Ushi.
It's Urshi.
Ushi.
Hershey.
And Mike isn't here anymore because he couldn't handle it.
All right, here we go.
Thanks.
Mike is
Pokemon.
behind the scenes.
This looks
now.
super cool.
Ooh, that is
Ooh.
cool. People eat fish on New Year's to heighten their luck and prosperity. Now we're gonna be opening up number 21, which is Hershey. is it? Oh, that's paper.
Ooh, that's paper.
These are so pretty.
Oh, I know what these are.
Yeah,
I know what these are.
I know what these are. So these are lucky money envelopes, and they're really pretty. And they give them to each other on New Year's for luck. Do they have money in them currently?
American money?
You guys put money in them?
Yes.
All right, here you
Whoa.
go.
Whoa, hold on.
Here you
This
go.
just-
So we're gonna open up our red envelopes.
Oh man, I got $10.
I got, let's take a, I got $1 whole.
I got a $1. Noah got the luckiest because he got 10.
I got $10. That's in French.
No.
I got $dollars.
There you go.
So now we have number 22, which is She. So let's get right on into it.
I think it's pronounced Ershier.
If she, no,
Micah.
if she, Mike.
Chinese numbers to any other numbers in any languages I've ever learned.
Okay,
Is this candy?
looks like
Is this
we
rice
got
candy?
creamy candy, which is, I think, vanilla flavored like taffy. I think there's paper around it, and we get to eat that paper.
Yeah, you eat the paper,
Wait,
right?
really?
Like this.
Yours really hard.
Takes a second.
Ow. I think it tastes pretty good, except it's very hard to chew.
It's
Okay.
pea good, my guy. Okay, so we're gonna be opening up 23, which is Urshi-san. If you're wondering why my voice sounds weird, I have taffy in my mouth. Whoa. Whoa.
What are these, Noah?
These are chocolate coins.
They're all different looking. Second
Yes, I ate the chocolate. It tastes like good chocolate.
I love chocolate, so I'm gonna eat this. Alright, so now we're gonna be opening up number 24, which is Hershey.
Last one. What it be, Emma?
We got some fortune cookies.
Oh, yeah. I wonder what my fortune is. Your
Right.
intuition will guide
This
you down
is-
the right path.
This is some more rice.
I don't know why that was in the last one with fortune cookies, but we got rice. My fortune says, you will find your solution where you least expect it.
The garbage.
In the fridge.
In the fortune cookies. Many memorable adventures are in store for you.
I gotta go shopping then.
They're in store. So that's it for the advent calendar. Comment down below what other ones you'd like to see us do. Thank you for watching. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, follow on Twitter, and see you later, alligator.
Peace out, YouTube.
See you next time, YouTube.
And happy Lunar New Year. Click these rectangles to watch our videos and click the circles to subscribe.